Every one of these balls has to meet exact standards. In men's cricket, they must weigh between 155.9 and 163 grams and be between 224 and 229 millimetres in circumference. The process starts with a core made from cork, the treated bark of a Portuguese oak tree.
It's granulated cork, which comes in sheets, travels up into the hoppers above me, falls through into a scale. It weighs out each amount that I need. I'm putting in the bottom half of the core. When I push a button, you'll see it come down and fill it. Then the top half goes in, and the machine compacts it together.
Another 2 precisely measured slices of cork make up the next layer. The round core is the filling in a cork sandwich as the slices are compressed and glued around that centre. But the cork core is a long way from being round. Bowl this and it would bounce about as evenly as a rugby ball. To remedy that, they spin it in 5 layers of worsted yarn. This forms the quilt and gives the ball an even bounce. But it wouldn't last an over left like this. It's too soft. The answer is a tough outer casing fashioned from the finest steer hide and dyed rich test match red. The sheets are cut into ovals, each one a quarter of a ball. 2 sections are stitched together and stamped into perfect hemispheres. These half balls aren't yet joined together, but a double seam is sewn around each to add strength. The 2 casings are then hand-stitched around the core with the best linen thread. It's a skill shared by only a handful of experts, and it hasn't changed since 1890. Durability is the key, as each ball will be bowled and hit a minimum of 480 times in its test match career. The solution is to treat the balls with a nitrocellulose lacquer that both strengthens and shines.